Hey kindergarten friends, it's Mrs. Smith here. Thank you for joining me today for our lesson. So today we are going to use a sensory bag and practice some letters, do a sensory letter hunt, okay? So the materials you need to do this, you need your alphabet chart, you need some kind of a marker, a blank piece of paper, and you need a bag with something sensory in it. So I just have a Ziploc bag and I put some paint in here. You could put Orbeez in there, you could put some shaving cream in there, you can put some shampoo, some conditioner, just something that's kind of squishy. You can probably even put pudding in there, whipped cream, something that's kind of squishy that you can kind of push around, okay? And then you also need a whiteboard, your whiteboard and a dry erase marker, or any kind of piece of paper, but the whiteboard is a little bit, you can do it for a little bit longer. Okay, so the first step of this is that you're going to write all of the letters of the alphabet on your page, okay? So you're gonna do uppercase and you're going to do lowercase, but you're not gonna put them in the same spot. Let me show you how. So I'm gonna go in order of the alphabet. So I'm gonna write the letter A, and then I'm gonna write a lowercase a somewhere else on the page, okay? So this is really good practice for your printing. And then I go on to the next letter of the alphabet, then B, and I'm doing the lowercase in a different part of the page, okay? And then you keep going until you get all of the letters of the alphabet on the page. Okay, so now I have all of the letters, uppercase and lowercase, of all of the letters in any kind of order. If that was hard for you, you can get an adult to help you. And now you're gonna take your sensory bag and place it over top, okay? Now, we're going to try to find the letters. So you have to take your letters, take the bag and push them so you can try to find a letter. So I see the letter P there. So that's the letter I'm going to write on my whiteboard or on my piece of paper, okay? And then you push it around and you try to find another letter. Okay, there's the letter C. So I'm gonna practice writing the letter C. Now, when you're choosing the material to put in your sensory bag, a darker color is better because it covers them up better, but anything will do. The yellow is not very dark. Okay, there's my letter G. So I'm gonna write my lowercase g. Okay, so it's just a fun way to practice our letters. If you want to challenge yourself, you can also say the sound of the letter when you're doing it, okay? Oh, there's the letter H. H says, okay? Be careful when you are pushing your material around in your sensory bag. You want to make sure not to use your fingernails because you don't want to make a hole in the bag or else you'll get a leak. If that does happen, just tuck another bag over top of it, or even start with double bagging it, because then that way you have protection from any kind of mistakes of putting a nick in the bag, okay? So that's all you do. Sensory letter find and trace. Thanks for joining me, friends. Have fun. Bye.